Unraveling Clean Out, a guide to understanding this versatile phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in English, clean out. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these kinds of phrases is crucial. So, let's dive into the world of English idioms and phrases, and discover the various meanings and uses of clean out. Clean out often has a literal meaning, which is to thoroughly clean the inside of something, usually a space or container. This could be anything from a room, a drawer, to even a fridge. When someone says, "I need to clean out my garage," it implies they plan to remove items from the garage and clean it thoroughly. For example, every spring, we clean out the attic to get rid of unnecessary items. It's time to clean out the refrigerator. There are a lot of expired products. Subsection 2.1. Emptying a space or container. In a more figurative sense, clean out can mean to empty something of its contents. This doesn't necessarily involve cleaning in the traditional sense but rather focuses on the aspect of emptying. For example, the burglars cleaned out the safe, leaving nothing behind. Subsection 2.2. Spending all money. Another common use of clean out is to describe spending all or most of one's money. It implies a significant reduction in one's financial resources, often unexpectedly or unwisely. For example, the holiday shopping really cleaned me out. I hardly have any money left. Now, let's see how to use clean out in different sentences. Pay attention to the context to understand the meaning. Literal cleaning. After the party, we had to clean out the entire house because it was a mess. Emptying. The kids cleaned out the cookie jar in no time. Spending money. The car repair really cleaned me out. It was more expensive than I expected. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, clean out, and its various uses in English. Remember, context is key in understanding whether it's used literally or figuratively. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using this phrase in your daily conversations. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.